Before the world's largest mountain train station could rise, engineers first had to understand every meter of the mountain beneath it.
Wind's picking up, secure the secondary tripod. The scan on Sector 4 is almost complete, heading towards the drill site now.
Bring the mast up slowly, watch the alignment. Solid copy. It's locked in position. Every core sample reveals hidden conditions that will determine whether a structure of this scale can safely stand.
That's definitely the granite layer we were expecting. I see the feldspar here.
Core sample 4B is ready for transport. Compression reached 45 megapascals. Recording the structural integrity data now.
Sensor 5 is secure.
Confirmed. Signal strength is optimal. We can proceed to the next point.
Look at the data return on that northern ridge.
The resolution is excellent. We should route the ground team through this access point.
This blue outline represents the finalized footprint for the main facility on the summit. The gradient here is optimal.
We're marking the center line now. Wind is picking up.
Understood. Keep me updated on the rockfall area.
We have approval. All units proceed to the staging area.
Before construction could begin, an entire transportation network had to be built into the mountain itself.
Slow down, you're cutting too deep. Watch the angle.
Keep clear of the heavy equipment rotation zone. Ensure all markers are visible before the next pass.
Hold it steady. Lower slowly. Watch the far side. Clear now.
With every kilometer of access road completed, the mountain becomes more connected to one of the largest rail projects ever attempted.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Looks good from here. Easy now.
Hold it right there. Easy now, settle it in. We need that perfectly level.
At peak activity, thousands of tons of material will move through this mountain logistics network every single day.
This is the exact location for the main tunnel entrance. The readings are stable. We are clear to proceed with the excavation.
Limits check. Sector 4, we are clear for deeper cut.
Roger that. Commencing rotation to the dump zone.
To create a level platform for the station, engineers must reshape an entire section of the mountain.
So this is the exact spot for the first bore, right here on the orange crosshair. That's correct. We'll finalize the coordinates once the dust settles. This is site safety confirming final checks complete. All non-essential equipment powered down.
Every blast is calculated to break the mountain efficiently while protecting the future structure above.
Send the next one down, we are clear.
Roger that. Unit 4 proceeding to the pit.
Alignment check, point 4.
Confirm, depth is within tolerance.
We need to adjust the angle right here before the next pour. Got it. I'll have them set the next section lower towards the basin.
Stability is everything. Before foundations can begin, the mountain itself must become part of the engineering system.
Control, this is site safety. Rig 1 is extending the mast. Confirm alignment check.
Looks like the torque spiked slightly there.
Yes, the penetration rate dropped. Checking the rock strata now.
Clear the area below. We are lifting the reinforcement cage now. Keep eyes on the load.
– 20 meters remaining. Check alignment now.
Clear on the laser line. Send it down. What's the reading on the slump? 10 centimeters, right on target. All right, let's get this moving.
Hidden beneath the station, these foundations will support millions of tons of infrastructure for decades to come.
Look at the ultrasonic pulse velocity here.
It correlates with the load cell data scrolling now. The integrity is sound.
Move the boom to the left. We need more in Cap 4. Copy that. Watching the levels now.
What appears above ground will only be possible because of the immense structure hidden below.
Transporter 1, confirm arrival time.
We are approaching the main site now. Foundations are looking solid.
All right, team, maintain current bearing. We are approaching grid marker 4. Keep the east side clear. Copy that. Alignment holding steady.
Roger that. Lowering 5 millimeters on your mark. We have alignment confirmation. Proceeding with temporary supports.
For the first time, the future station begins to rise above the mountain, transforming engineering plans into physical reality. Every connection must withstand decades of mountain weather while supporting one of the largest rail stations ever built.
All right, gentlemen, easy now. Bring it 5 meters east.
Roger, moving east.
Steady, steady, looking good.
The mountain now carries the weight of a colossal framework, ready to become one of the world's most extraordinary railway stations.
Bring it down slowly. Watch the left side. A little more to the right. Hold it there. Keep it moving. We need more flow on this side. Watch the levels near the edge.
The roof alone spans an area larger than many urban transportation terminals, shielding passengers from the harsh mountain environment.
Okay, bring it down slowly on my side.
Copy that. Watching the clearance on the steel.
Keep going with the vibrator right there. Watch the pressure on the hose. Bring it up slowly.
From a bare mountain summit, a structure of extraordinary scale is now visible across the landscape.
All right, lock it in.
Secured, looks good.
Solid. Let's move to the next one.
All right, team, easy now. Bring it down another 2 feet. Watch the east support. We are clear.
The shell construction is impressive. We're on schedule. With the shell complete, the station begins receiving the systems that will bring the entire facility to life.
Slow down on the east side. Copy that, lowering the east hoist now. Watch the clearance on level 4.
Behind every arriving train is an invisible network of systems operating with extraordinary precision.
Easy now, hold it right there. A little bit to the left. Perfect, set it down slowly.
Control, this is Corridor 2. Pressure test is active, gauges climbing steadily.
Main breaker is live, confirming power flow to Sector 4. Solid readings here. The pathway lighting is fully operational.
Every system must operate flawlessly in one of the most demanding railway environments on Earth.
The ventilation readings are spiking slightly on the lower levels.
I see it. Rerouting power now. That should stabilize the flow before the next phase.
Watch the clearance on the left. Yep. Okay, bringing it up slowly. Clear up top.
The engineering may be hidden above and below, but this is the space millions of passengers will experience.
We need more grout over here. All right, bringing it now. Watch the saw. Easy now, steady push.
We're almost aligned.
Looks good, lock it down.
Move that equipment over to the service area. Watch out for the cart coming through. Moving hundreds of thousands of passengers efficiently requires as much planning as building the structure itself.
Looks like we have full power on this row. See the voltage?
Yep, steady 277. Should I bring us down now?
Cross-referencing complete. Initiate system activation sequence. Acknowledged. Bringing the main array online now.
Ensure the sealant is completely dry before installing the grate.
For the first time, the station begins to feel less like a construction site and more like a functioning transportation hub.
Base, this is Team Lead B. We are proceeding to the control center. All systems nominal in the main concourse.
All systems are green for the south platform.
Good. The structural reinforcement checks are next on the schedule. Readings confirmed on the lower joints, preparing the final bolt now.
Roger that. All green. The simulation confirms the load transfer from the roof to the deep foundations.
Confirmed.
Before opening, the entire structure must prove it can withstand the most powerful natural forces of the mountain region. Emergency alert. Please evacuate the station immediately using the clearly marked emergency exits. Follow the green pathway lighting.
Control, this is Platform 3. Braking sequence initiated. Markers aligned. Stop is good.
Every millimeter matters when trains arrive at speeds that define modern engineering precision.
The sensor readings from Pylon 3 are stable. Confirmed. The data pulses show consistent load distribution deep in the foundation. The platform clearance looks good. Yes, but check the ventilation in Zone 3. Readings are stable. At this moment, the station is no longer a construction project. It is a fully functioning engineered system waiting for its first passengers.
Slowly lower the segment onto the platform now. Monitor the stress points on grid 5 and 8. Readings are stable.
This is the final proof whether a mountain can truly carry the weight of modern engineering.
This is an emergency evacuation drill. Please proceed to the nearest exit. Keep moving to the assembly area. This way, please.
Testing, 1, 2. Testing. Can you hear me in the back?
After years of engineering, excavation, and construction, the station is finally ready to serve the world.
Platform 3 for the express service to the city center.
Attention passengers, the 1400 service to Glacier Peak is now boarding on track 7.
And this is how one of the world's greatest engineering projects is built. From nothing into reality.